Divine Collective, take what resonates and leave the rest. This is a collective message, and it will not apply to everyone, okay? As I step into your energy, the cards begin speaking immediately. The Emperor reversed, the Seven of Swords, and the Moon stand before me. Divine Collective, there is someone standing in confusion, I feel, trying to understand how they were ever convinced that you were a gold digger, a clout chaser, someone motivated only by money. Yet the more they observe you from a distance, the less those accusations make much sense, okay? They're looking at your character, they're looking at your consistency, Divine Collective, they're looking at the way you carry yourself. And Spirit says, truth has a vibration that deception can never imitate. The lies are beginning to collapse under the weight of reality, Divine Collective. The Emperor is reversed here, misuse of power. Spirit is pointing directly toward an Emperor in the reverse, okay? Rather than leading with wisdom and integrity, this person attempted to control the narrative through manipulation, I feel, fear, and deception. Some of you may even feel that this person intentionally projected negative energy towards you, constantly trying to diminish your confidence or your influence, okay? Whatever was sent towards you, Divine Collective, whatever words were spoken behind closed doors, whatever intentions were hidden, Spirit is saying, what was meant to bind you has become the very evidence exposing them. Now this Emperor is returning, Divine Collective. Returning or retreating? Spirit said retreating. Not because they found peace, but because they're trying to escape accountability. Running too, okay? The Strength card reminds you that true power is quiet, that you don't have to defend yourself against every accusation. Continue protecting your peace through prayer, discernment, and healthy boundaries. Divine Collective, let God handle what you cannot see. Now we're getting justice, Divine Collective. The karmic awakening, Spirit says. The karmic they're returning to is beginning to see everything differently, okay? This person has returned to a karmic or has returned to this karmic in the past multiple times after breaking up, Divine Collective. Again, the karmic they're returning to is beginning to see everything differently here. The stories they've been told, the exaggerations, the accusations. This karmic is beginning to realize much of it simply don't match the person standing before them, Divine Collective. Perhaps they were told that I paid for everything, but they never, that you never contributed, that they paid for everything here, Divine Collective. This is what the karmic was told, okay? That you were lazy, that you only wanted this person for what they had. These are the types of things Spirit is telling me. Yet reality tells another story, Divine Collective. Spirit says the masks are slipping. Justice doesn't always arrive loudly. Sometimes justice arrives through someone's own awakening, okay? Spirit says that the scales are balancing themselves without you needing to lift a finger, Divine Collective. Spirit is also saying allow truth to unfold naturally. Resist the temptation to prove yourself to people who have already decided what they wanted to believe. Divine Collective, your peace is worth more than winning an argument. Now we're getting the Six of Cups reversed, which is telling me that someone is in regret in this reading. Someone here carries deep regret for attempting to isolate you, for hiding information, for allowing gossip to influence their decisions. Ironically, Divine Collective, Spirit says the very gossip intended to destroy your reputation became the advertisement that introduced people to your authenticity. People became curious as these other energies were gossiping about you. They became curious about you, so they searched you out, okay? They watched, they listened. Instead of finding what they had been told, they found you, the real you, the authentic you, Divine Collective. Spirit says that your light spoke louder than this person's lies, okay? And then we have the Hierophant showing up here, Divine Collective. Wise counsel, 5:09 on the clock. Spirit says someone is now seeking wise counsel because your healing forced them to confront themselves. You have been removed energetically from places that you no longer belong. Divine Collective, doors have quietly closed, not as punishment, but as protection. Spirit is also highlighting the names Rebecca, Christina, Georgette, Luna, and Molly in this reading. These names may be literal, symbolic, or just simply confirmation for someone listening, Divine Collective. Now Spirit is showing me the Hermit, Divine Collective. It's time to sit with God. Spirit keeps emphasizing stillness, meditation, reflection, silence. The Hermit doesn't isolate because he's defeated. He isolates because wisdom is found in stillness, Divine Collective. Some of your greatest downloads are arriving when the world becomes quiet. Spirit is saying reflection activates revelation. Spend intentional time in prayer, journaling, or quiet meditation. Ask God for discernment rather than certainty. Wisdom often grows in silence before it appears in action, okay? Now we have the moon, hidden feelings. Someone still carries hidden feelings for you, Divine Collective. They buried them beneath pride, fear, or another relationship. The moon reminds us that hidden emotions eventually surface. However, Divine Collective, Spirit says jealousy surrounds this connection. The karmic energy attached to this person senses those feelings and has become increasingly insecure. This feels like an X energy for many of you, Divine Collective. Meanwhile, you've emotionally detached, I feel. Your season of chasing answers has ended, Spirit says. Your time of caring has come and gone when it comes to this person, okay? Again, your time of caring has come and gone. The High Priestess follows. Hidden knowledge, Divine Collective. Many of you are operating from the High Priestess energy. Downloads, discernment, inner knowing, prophetic dreams, intuition that refuses to be ignored. Spirit is also highlighting Hindu ancestors or ancestral wisdom connected to someone's lineage or spiritual journey here, Divine Collective. Not everything you're receiving can be explained logically, right? Nor does it need to be. The High Priestess reminds you that not every revelation is meant to be announced immediately, Divine Collective. Protect what God entrusts to you until the timing is right, 8:04 on the clock. The Ten of Wands, burdens. While you've been releasing emotional weight, someone else continues carrying theirs. Bitterness, resentment, unfinished lessons. They're exhausted because they refuse to put down what was never theirs to carry. Spirit says healing begins the moment accountability begins. The Five of Swords, drama, seeking an audience. Someone wants an argument, not because they want resolution, because misery seeks company. Spirit says don't give them an audience. They're hoping for your reaction. They're hoping your reaction validates the false story they've created about you. Remain calm, remain grounded. Your silence will frustrate manipulation far more than your anger ever could, Divine Collective. Before responding, pause, pray, ask yourself, will this bring peace or simply prolong conflict? Protect your energy by refusing to participate in chaos that was never assigned to you, Divine Collective. The Seven of Cups, false narratives. Spirit is exposing confusion created through lies. This X and the karmic surrounding them appear connected to people who encourage unhealthy behaviors instead of accountability. Be careful of environments where gossip is treated as truth and deception is rewarded. Spirit says not every group is your tribe. Choose relationships that encourage integrity, growth, and honesty, Divine Collective. And now we have the Ace of Swords, telling me that your voice could not be silenced, Divine Collective. Telling me that someone attempted to silence you, to mute your voice, to damage your credibility, yet every obstacle became another testimony. Spirit says what God has ordained cannot be canceled by human opinion. Your voice carries purpose. No curse can overrule God's calling, and to continue speaking with love, wisdom, humility, and truth. We have the Two of Cups here, a balanced connection, finally. The energy shifts. The Two of Cups appears, passion, mutual attraction, equal investment. Someone approaching you is taking their time because they want to ensure your values align before making their intentions known. They're no longer interested in temporary chemistry, Divine Collective. They're seeking lasting compatibility. Spirit says this connection values honesty over appearances and peace over performance. Final guidance, Divine Collective. God is becoming increasingly selective about who has access to you. Not everyone who wants your attention deserves your presence. Not everyone who misses you has changed. Spirit is saying no more unnecessary interruptions. The people entering this next season will bring peace, purpose, growth, and mutual respect. Continue allowing God to reveal the snakes hidden in the grass, Divine Collective. Discernment is one of heaven's greatest gifts. Remain vigilant, remain humble, remain prayerful, and remember, the truth never has to chase people. It simply waits until the lies become too heavy to carry. The cards close with the Star. After every season of misunderstanding, healing follows. After every night, morning arrives. And after every test, God continues to prove that what He has called cannot be undone. Peace, love, and light.